Now, Envato has new AI features into it for its users. In the image gen, you can write a prompt and generate your images. In the below section, these are multiple image style patterns which you can download or use that style and add a prompt of your own to create similar image of this pattern. Can select the size, and guess what? You can enhance the prompt too. See how cool it is? Now, in the image edit, you can edit any image here or upload any and edit. Remove the background. Wow! See how the background has been removed. In upscale, you can upscale your image to 2x and 4x. Next is expand. You can expand and resize the images to all of these sizes. In the replace section, select any part of the image, edit in the description, and replace. Boom! See the result. Similarly, in the erase section, select any part of the image, prompt what you want to erase, and it's done. In the generate similar, you can generate a somewhat similar image, like here if I want to replace this cat with a lion. Let's check. Great! Wow! Now in the crop section, you can manually crop or choose a default size, whichever you like. In the video gen section, 3 video standards can be generated. Standard, high-quality video with no first frame preview, fast preview, lower quality video, precision preview, slower, but first frame preview can be seen. Okay. Let's try with a prompt and check. Wow! Also, you can generate a horizontal or portrait form video. Music gen. We can generate music here simply by a prompt and choose the mood. Suppose, let's choose epic. In the genres, choose orchestra. In the themes, choose corporate, as it's for a corporate company. Choose your style of tempo and the energy. And generate. Boom! It's done. You can also extend the music. Isn't it cool? Now let's go to the voice gen. Actually, the interesting part is that we have generated the voiceover of this video from here. Let's check that out, how we did it. We have pasted our script here and adjusted it with few commas and full stops for pause and delays. Then selected the voice of our choice. Yeah, that's me. And now let's generate it. It's done. Now let's go to the voice gen. Actually, the interesting part is that we have generated the voiceover of this video from here. The last part is the inspo gen, the go-to visual discovery engine for graphic design inspiration. No stock assets, just hand-picked real-world projects to spark your creativity. You can use InspoGen as your infinite source of creative inspiration. Want to get one license-free asset from Envato? Comment with one Envato asset link of your choice within 10 MB to get it for free. Details are provided in the description. And for more creative tutorials, subscribe to our channel. And for more information about Envato and New AI Lab, visit the company's website.